dream or reality. I stay up late at night, some might even think I'm tweaking, writing down my true thoughts and feelings, drinking, thinking about the past and all that I've been through. It's been a long road and still I must roll on, and I can hear the streets calling me. Keeping it true is all I know how to do. I'm only 24 years old and already feel like an OG. Take a puff of the blunt and let's trip down memory lane. Think about the ones that are no longer here. I say a prayer asking God to bless their soul and let them rest in peace as we hold it down in these cold streets, searching for dreams and praying for peace. And no one said it was gonna be easy, so I keep my head high, searching my dreams, facing these obstacles, and I won't stop until I reach my goal. And no one said it was gonna be easy, so I keep my head high, searching my dreams, facing these obstacles, and I won't stop until I reach my goal. Searching for dreams, I'm busting these raps, I'm throwing up dubs, I'm representing my city, it's all love. Still rolling with my team, getting high. I'm slanging dope on the side, but still I'm doing my rapping, I'm trying to survive. I get by day by day, struggle is my life, but still I hustle every night, trying to make everything right. And I can't bring back the past, but I can still thug with you. I know y'all miss me and I miss y'all too. I'm out here in the streets, keeping it true. It's all I know how to do, and watch me tear up the scene. I'm representing that West, and I won't stop till the day I reach my death. And no one said it was gonna be easy, so I keep my head high, searching my dreams, facing these obstacles, and I won't stop until I reach my goal. And no one said it was gonna be easy, so I keep my head high, searching my dreams, facing these obstacles, and I won't stop until I reach my goal. And no one said it was gonna be easy, so I keep my head high,
nobody says
searching my
it's gonna be
dreams,
easy.
facing these
That's
obstacles,
why I'm out here
and
hustling.
I won't stop
You know
until
what I'm
I
saying?
reach my goal.
Staying away
And
from
no
all you
one said it
haters.
was gonna be easy,
Just trying to
so I
do my
keep
thing,
head high,
overcoming all this
searching my
bullshit I'm
dreams,
dealing with,
facing
feel
these
me?
obstacles, and I won't stop
Troubles.
until I reach my
This
goal.
one's for life. Yeah, that's right.